Hey everybody, welcome back to Patchogue's Firearms Restorations. 2020 and 2021 saw millions of new first-time gun owners across the United States. Today I'm going to show you 6 tools that are essentials for beginning gunsmiths and new gun owners alike. All 6 can be found on Amazon for less than $275, and these tools will lay the foundation for years of care, maintenance, and beginning gunsmithing going on for a long time. Okay, so let's dive into these 6 tools and see what we got for under $275. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the Pormucal All-in-One cleaning kit. This kit comes with a large selection of cleaning tools, brushes, 2 sets of rods, all the brass bristle brushes, soft cotton brushes, cleaning jags, plugs. Even comes with what they call some muzzle guards, although I've never seen them used. It also comes with some wood shafted Q-tips, cleaning patches, couple of bottles to put cleaning fluid and lubricants in, and it comes with a set of dental tools, dental picks, to clean hard to reach areas. And this whole kit can be found on Amazon for a box for $60, and this kit will take care of virtually every caliber rifle, pistol, or shotgun you're working on. And this kit would last you for years to come as your collection grows. This right here, the metal dental picks, leads me into my second tool that I'm going to show you that I picked up on Amazon for $6, and that was these plastic dental tools. I prefer these over the metal ones because these are plastic, they're non-marring. You can still get into many tight spots and clean out carbon or gook, and these are gentler on your firearms finish and they won't mar bluing. So I prefer these instead. These can be found on Amazon for $6. And you just go right in that cleaning kit with all this other good stuff. So the reason I like this particular kit is it's also got all brass components, which are harder to break. And then this bag can double as your range bag. It's got extra pockets for putting multi-tools, other freaking sight tools. Or you can even put extra spare magazines inside here, extra hearing protection, put earplugs in there. So it's a very good kit for $60. Next thing I want to show you is the Wheeler Engineering screwdriver kit. It's an 89-piece kit. This can be found on Amazon for $58. Has 2 handles, virtually every bit you'd ever need. Phillips, Torx, Allen. It's got some specialty bits for Mausers, for the recoil lug. Comes with a Glock sight tool, and up here it lists what each one of these is used for. One of the reasons I like Wheeler Engineering is every one of these bits comes with a number stamped on it, a code, and if you ever break one or need another one, all you have to do is call Wheeler Engineering and they'll send you out a 3-pack of replacements for your broken bit. I've busted a few over the years. Some of these are very thin, and if the fastener's stuck on there pretty good, you end up snapping the edge off or whatever. But Wheeler Engineering always makes good on getting you replacement bits if you happen to destroy one. Great little set. And this one should take care of 99% of your fastening needs on virtually any firearm you have. Up next, we got the Wheeler Engineering hammer and punch set. It's got punches all the way down to 1/16 and all the way up to 5/16. Comes with a non-marring brass and plastic hammer. And this is one of my go-to kits every time I'm taking apart a firearm to fix it, modify it, clean it, and I need to remove some pins. This is my go-to right here. This can be found on Amazon for $36 and highly recommend it. So if you got the punch kit, the next thing you need is the Pridefend bench block. So this bench block is a must-have if you're driving out pins. You can get your firearm on it. It gives you standoff. You can drive your pins out and they'll fall into the bottom. They'll be captured. It's got a non-stick base so it won't move on your workbench. And it also has little magnetic cavities here where you can put your pins in, and then later on you won't lose them. So it's got a multitude of holes, fit many different types of firearms, and it's also got several grooves on it, so if you're actually taking apart a firearm bolt, you can get a bolt in there. It'll stay put, and you can be able to drive out pins in bolts or rounded objects. So this side's rounded, this side's got a V-cut, and this one should get you through virtually anything you need disassembling a pistol or rifle bolt or a receiver or an action. The Pridefend block is $17 on Amazon. So the last thing I wanted to show you guys is this right here, Tipton Best Gun Vise. This could be found for $90 on Amazon, and this thing is absolutely a lifesaver when you're doing a lot of gun work. Whether you're mounting scopes, whether you're cleaning, you could open the bolt, check it clear. You can use it as a second hand to hold your firearm for you while you're cleaning. I don't know how many times in the past I've had my gun laid out on a towel on the counter, and I've tried, the length trying to clean it and try to get a scope mounted, and this just provides a great stable base to get all your rifle and shotgun work done. So that's it. These are the 6 tools. The total that I spent for all 6 of these tools was $267, and that still leaves a little leeway on our $275 budget to go off and get some lubricating fluid and maybe some Hops 9 to clean up all that old carbon. And hope you guys learned something today, and I hope you pick up some of these tools and enjoy them. This is Firearms signing out. Have a great day.